Hey guys,
Big up, big up, big up, big up,
it's
big
your
up.
girl, it's your girl, it's your girl, Shawan Official,
And it's your boy Original Finance
and
Doc
welcome to another episode of
of Key Sessions with
next
the
season.
Leckies.
Next
This
season.
is a new
Let's
season.
take a little
We'll
pause.
take a
New
pause.
season.
Thank you guys for tuning in once again.
And thanks for sticking around. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and follow us on Instagram and I think on our TikTok page of
It's
Key
TikTok.
Sessions.
Yeah, the
Yes,
TikTok page burning up a long time. It's burning up a long
it's
time. You know,
burning up. I
a
can't.
long time. We don't look on that though. Bit
Eh,
busy. We're busy. We're busy.
yeah, it's been a minute. So we'll see you on the flip side. Chiki chiki cha cha.
Ah, chiki chiki cha cha,
Chiki
chiki
chiki cha
chiki
cha.
cha cha.
あっとちょこまか登場ちょこまか登場ちょこまか登場タコくんあっとちょこまか登場ちょこまか登場ちょこまか手打ち運命だ
A summertime.
Everybody
Everybody
have to
gotta
come
go
along.
along.
When the other night I did, hey, I never need that come down. Carry the
Red.
umbrella, got this Anna. Cheap people.
Time at
Look like when we do 4 videos, we take a break.
new season.
This is a new season.
Season 2.
Season 2. Season few.
Feel.
Big up on yourself, people. How you doing? How you doing? Let's welcome back to Off Key
Sessions
Sessions
with the
with the
Leckies.
Leckies.
My name is Siobhan.
And my name is the Original Finance Doc.
It's your girl Siobhan Official. You can catch me on Instagram or but up on TikTok. We still up on TikTok?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna start go over there. So
Yeah.
look for me over there. I'm gonna start going over,
Over there.
Mhm. Follow Off Key Sessions on TikTok as well
Off
for the
Key
latest
Sessions.
drops. So you can know when we release a little video and also subscribe to us here on YouTube. Clearly.
You got it. Subscribe.
But I must feel like
Oh God, what did we miss me?
it's
What
been a
did we miss me?
minute.
People tell me say we not post and read, but people, oh
Life
God,
is life.
we
in
just get busy.
between. Yeah, life are life in between. You know,
Yes.
we're working people.
Working persons.
And then again, no, because
then
say true,
Yeah.
say cause
Say
him.
true.
You understand?
Talk no, talk. What you say?
So true, all of them something they know.
Yeah.
Guys, I have an announcement. Too fast.
Nope.
So
He's not friends.
I celebrated my birthday.
Oh.
Yellow celebrated his birthday. What else happened a little time? You have sports deal.
Mhm.
What little life changes
Mhm.
and little
Changes
things,
in life.
little things and little times. You understand? So we're there now.
We there now. We there now. We still are putting the work though. People
We
remember.
still are chicky cha cha.
Follow
You
me on
understand?
Instagram,
Yeah.
Original Finance Doc. Remember, me still a do life insurance. People
Them things
don't
get it
make
done.
me get into it. Link up. No go have a discussion. All of the parents, them, when I have life insurance and having a pitney,
You're living
dangerously. You're living too dangerous for me. Living sure. Anyways, what I talk about today? Hot topics. People, we never did even give a take on the
Wally patting.
the Frais situation.
Yeah.
Jaii.
But that's happy him look him appear calm and easy.
Mm-hmm.
At least on the media.
Mm-hmm.
I'm very curious to see how it will turn out because you know them slap the charges, so I know if it go to trial and whatever. I don't really know the full legal process for these type of things, but me there on him side.
Big up in an influencer shirt.
Yeah, I go to people event, I'm get a little shirt. You
Sure.
understand? Big up
Jesus.
influence Jamaica.
Influence.
It make me feel like I want to start go
Be
back
a
in I'm a little
influencer.
media bag and you know I'm like influencing, I'm like a thing and thing, I'm like a
Sure. Yeah, def me. Me tell you, ease off of them loud life in there. Yeah, def leg off of my hand. Talk what you talk now. Back on Jahvy something. You loady.
Guys, let me tell you something. I tried boba tea for the first time. Yum. See my habit to influence or something.
Yum.
Yum.
Anyways.
So yum.
How was the boba tea?
It was good. It's too sweet. It's not healthy.
No, a foolishness.
It just nice. It could. Alright, so like my favorite type of drink is stuff with like a soy milky type of thingy majiggy. If not that, it have to taste like a lemonade, like a little tangy zangy. So I like the option for have a nice cool drink, but it's too sweet. I just that and no natural about it. And I've been on my journey. Dog with up on a journey. We eat some cabbage and some okra with it. We eat some with the sardine. And every time we get with the pumpkin. Yeah, dog with up on a journey. And everything we did, I get me not deserve it. Because we have too much burger and too much pizza. And
wait, we'll go back to the Frais situation. But guess what? You can't sit down and keep yourself quiet.
Up on a journey, the people have to see the fucks.
What? You're sucking the belly door, man. They dead up.
They want to see the fucks.
People, and Shav did pregnant. Shav drink about 50 buckle of cranberry. Me I thought what bet you mean that? I don't know. What's like 1 liter? 1.5. 1.5. Every other day me I buy 2 of them there.
Pocket bunny man.
Burn me and then shall eat burger.
Burger King. Every day Burger King with an orange juice. Every day. That was crazy.
Anyways.
Fun fact, I was a vegetarian, well, pescatarian before I was with child. And that is how I knew I was breedeth, because I only felt the meat and I was scorning meat before that. Like, me just couldn't.
She said,
stomach.
She said, we just feel like me that eat, the edge of the leg, the edge of the leg.
The grizzle part of the chicken leg when it dip on a jerk pan and it get like a char and it have a little blacky something about it and a crispy thing there and such a cucumber.
Yeah.
And it that me did feel for. Me did feel for the pepperoni half of the pizza.
And we did buy the pizza. I did well one come out for a pescatarian there.
Yeah, him felt it out alive. Him never come bad, but him never real. Him never true to this.
Never true to this. Anyways, we are saying about Jahvy thing because people listen.
Yeah.
When you see people on the road, you leave them alone.
Hallelujah.
You see, if you see me on the road, I look on you right. So if you see me on the road, you feel like I can't take on a buckle for myself.
He can't, because he's a softie, a joke. He's not about that life.
He's not about no war and no strife with nobody.
Yeah, him is a lover, not a fighter.
I'm a lover, not a fighter.
I have a soft spot for people in my heart.
I have a soft spot for people in my heart.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
I'm a good guy.
It's not troubling.
But me still, not played me here.
Yeah, you don't know,
don't know
till it's gone. You understand? Yeah.
So people, big up Jahvy. But boy, sometimes I just feel like for cancel the artist. You get what I say? But sometimes I feel
it's a lesson of birds of a feather, we can sit together. Them teacher, my mama say, oh my God, I'm so proud of that girl.
Do not go upon a different topics.
I have to try. Guys, will not pray for me? Pray for me. So, somebody pray for me.
So what may I say, people?
I was saying,
go ahead.
I think is a birds of the feather type of thing.
Yeah.
Where like, show me a friend, I'm gonna tell you who you are, says that it's kind of hard to accept. So this are the person who I bring you like this. I'm a bro and this I'm a virgin and then them go fubble double and dibble double and mix up in a foolishness and I do some crazy activities and me not for think about you the same way. So that's how I feel about the artist. You get what I say? He still makes good music, but it's still, you just never know somebody, really and truly, because a lot of these creators, whether artists, influencers, whatever, they can always have a presence in the media or through their art that they are upstanding citizens, and then the people around them just make it bad for them, or them fumble over themselves and it them bad. They're really not good people. So it now brought him under scrutiny where he never need. He never need all of that type of attention. They're like, one of the artists mix up in a badness or what them really do. Music not make or a badness not push. You get what I say? Like, then again, everything that has happened that we have read about are only allegations.
But I can say something to you.
me not see no CCTV video. There's no way to prove that Jaii is telling the full truth and nothing but the truth. But that is always a factor there because guess what? When you go to school, you know, who first tell teacher, you know, usually at them kind of have the upper hand, you know, unless you have proof. Otherwise, you know, once you tell teacher first, you know, teacher him lit me, you know, and it look kind of hard for you, you know, to come and say, no, I never that happen, you can't prove it. It's hard.
You see,
that's how I feel.
What means this? I know how it works. You see, certain artists, certain entertainer, them have to have backative by either police or bad man.
You have to have muscle. You have to have
muscle.
Yeah.
So, what do you hear a story about a producer where him do some transaction send some things in a country.
Gun in a country.
Yeah, don't say gun.
No gun, them say.
No.
Them news said it.
No, we know what I always hear them say, don't say gun. Certain words on
YouTube.
Yeah, on YouTube. I don't know how true it is. Some don't want to say it's a weapon.
So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna beat his ass. That way I try to say YouTube. I never go with it. You have to wait to complete the sentence. Understand?
So I send weapon to Jamaica and right now the man there face some time, but sometimes you see, I don't necessarily say the person bad, you know. It's just that because of the muscle what you need as an entertainer,
you end up get shaky.
You end up, we're not gonna say get shaky. You end up have to provide the tools for the muscle. You understand? So you make the money at the end of the day, you need the muscle to protect your head back. So you have to go provide the tools necessary for carry out a certain business transaction.
Do you this is just me, because I think it's all about the image and how they portray themselves in the media, because I'm sure there are artists who don't walk around with security. There are creators who them just go about them business. They're not for about security, they're not for about entourage. And I think it's how you position yourself and the fact that you know say you need to protect yourself for other reasons that the public cannot see. Because think about it this way. But now insinuate say certain artists in a badness, you know, but there are some artists that don't have an entourage. All them have a them band member. Cause them all about the work. But all heap of them people are them in the streets. You get what I say? And they like a certain lifestyle. When you see them with bagaman round them either scratch the surface for a certain lifestyle or they're fully blown for it. That's just me. Or that's the image they want to have. You know what I mean? So for me, it's a good thing to have people around you, but the image that you portray by having this entourage, it causes unnecessary heat. Because once a bag of man, they're on a person, you know, automatically you feel like them will do you something if you step to them, one, and two, them might be the one to attack you. Because why else will you come with muscle? If you get what I'm saying. So, but think having the bag of, and if you have an artist who just move by himself, brother, and him not mix up in a nothing, body now gonna see and do you nothing, so brother. And but only thing they probably try to do are probably hold you up or something. If you get what me I say. They have artists, brother, where if them coming to one party, you see them and them family, you see them and maybe them little group of friends or something, people respect them more. You know what I mean? People just respect them more and them get certain, you know, contracts and stuff like that because how they portray themselves is like them on the decent side. They're more on the decent side of art and create. You understand?
Yeah.
So, Father.
No, stop it. Anyways, so people, you don't say what you say?
No man, I make my point, man. As in, we just feel like, and it can go either way. It's just how you portray yourself, and that is why.
At the end of the day,
I never done. As I say, you that ask me if I done.
And then you say you make your point.
I realize I am not.
I go ahead.
So, Jaii never have an entourage, to my knowledge, based on the reports. I know he has friends. He not necessarily is a person where they're by himself. He might usually have one youth where brother where my roll with. Like if you see him in the public, like out in the public, you will see him with a one person or a few friends. And you know when them do them like a vlog or something, you can say, yeah, him like have a good time, him having people around him, but not necessarily like an entourage. Not like that type of entourage. That is what the jury might look at. These are just things they can consider. I'm just saying.
At the end of the day,
I'm just saying.
I know. At the end of the day, I just wish for the best outcome from both sides. Because guess what? The man them do them thing. And you have to understand that people make mistakes and sometimes a man can in him feelings and in him emotions. And then certain actions can take place. But I don't necessarily say the person is a bad man or in a badness, you know. But it could have been just a hard-working youth because I believe the whole of the team there are hard-working people. Them put in the work. They with them put in the work as well. And them do the work. So I don't want nothing too serious really come out of it. If I even pay up some money or I don't want nothing too serious because sometimes people need chance. A settlement
would be good. But then it's not that simple anymore. And I like say just a regular assault charge, like, oh, you know, a man box you. Not like a Will Smith, Chris Rock type of thing. But, oh, you apologize and, oh, no, I'm not going to press charges. And, guns involved. Illegal firearm is involved as well. So, somebody I go get the fall. When is the question? Because, you know, sometimes cases can be dismissed for your time and they just come up back at a moment like, oh, yeah. Evidence now, court didn't, you know, Jamaica take long, all 10 years down the line. Oh yes, you're guilty. What you mean? I have 2 more youth now, and we are talking about that. I'm New York, I'm go vacate right now. We are talking about come a court, Jamaica system. You never know, but I'm just saying the facts are guns. What we do here?
What you say,
Father? The very fact that guns and stuff. Yeah, look for me like, boy, I love you, you know, regardless.
Irregardless, people love her.
Oh, Father. But, can you stop?
What you want me to do? Me and look for you.
Oh, God, you're going to say my laugh. You look too attentive, man.
Me a listener, I'm a good listener.
Chum. Yeah, so that's my only concern, that the gun charges and stuff, weapon charges and whatever are involved, and you know somebody are gonna take the fall for it, and you know how it can be turned because they've secured very good lawyers too, and them are just hardworking young youths. I wish them they just stick to that. I like the boxing a face thing and the proving a point thing. Media is there. I'm just saying based on the reports and they got nobody was there other than them. Them knew what happened. We don't have no video for say, oh yeah, I make a judgment. So we don't know. I don't believe that Jahvy was the attacker. I don't know what the attack was like though, but somebody I go get the fall for it. And right now it looked more in favor of Jahvy in terms of how he's portrayed and how he has been doing the PR as well, and you know, in his videos, how he expresses himself, like, you know, I don't want no badness, you know, whatever. If you do me this, me I go tell the police and like certain little things can make it seem like he would not have been the aggressor in the least bit of chances, and he might win the case.
Well, at the end of the day, people, 7 p.m. You understand?
The end of the day is 11:59 p.m.
No, night. Not midnight.
Oh, 7 at night. Oh. Sorry.
I know you. I tell you. So, all the best to them too. At the end of the day, we are big them up because you don't know hardworking people.
Yeah, I love that. I like the artist people. Music. The producer did a good job. I mean, they
put in the work.
And thing and they
so at the end of the day, I just want everything kind of calm down and calm see and make the youth them continue to do them do and just kind of learn a lesson. You understand? So next we want to talk about Yaksta. Yaksta say yo.
My dear.
My dear. Yaksta say the rest them now burn no fire again. Be a commercial music, them are making corporate music.
You see that from the gas man start switch up him thing. When they used to believe in a conscious music and the rest them and you know "Ma, you alone?"
Mm-hmm.
I realized some little switchings and itchings and.
Never bone out that brother there.
And a bun no, I not burn him out.
What you do?
I not burn him out. I can't burn him out because
You have to understand.
I know him family,
No,
I can't
hold
burn him
on,
out.
no.
But just as say,
here you go on.
sometimes you expect more and you expect better. But when Yaksta talk
people
about
go through
more,
stages in life. Stages in life. People go through stages in life. Cargo did a sing, can't cool, can't quench. I see it there. Cargo go and do a me not talk about character and nothing, but him not sing can't cool. Quick.
Question.
Yeah.
Is Yaksta saying that they're not real Rastas?
You must say
Or them
some
a talk
people in
about
a
music?
camp, some
Okay.
people in a camp I swing different way and swing left and right, and you know it go already.
Mm-hmm.
You get what I say? So
And them
I
a
say the
Rasta?
fire, yeah, and I say them a Rasta.
Oh dear.
My take on that is the fire have to continually burn. You understand?
Against what?
remember me a Rasta in my heart, you know. Hey, one time, me that way my Marcus got me badge one time, you know. Yeah, man.
Poor thing.
No, I tell you,
Big up every Rasta every time.
the fire
No,
have to
I used to have a red, gold, and green thing. I my ear did natural. I used to twist it up
No,
and I used to give myself a little.
Heights. Rastafari. Sila.
Yes,
Watch out. Here we go. When we say fire continue to burn, meaning on social issues. That's what I mean. So the Rastaman normally be the voice for the people when it come on to burning the fire upon Babylon, which you know Babylon can be interpreted as many other things. You get what I say? So I burn upon certain laws they put in place. I burn upon alright, because I guess so look on this. Remember, you know, Rasta ever a chant the fire upon marijuana, you know, and they legalize marijuana and decriminalize it, and then them lock up a lot of Rasta and them lock up a lot of man for them thing there, and then couple years after them decriminalize it, and then you see a bag of shop start. No, hold on, no. And then you see a bag of shop start, a man start sell cannabis over here legally, a man and different man have them dispensary and all kind of thing. So you realize say, even though Rasta chant and I make them know say yo, leave them little thing there alone, and you da lock up and you da mash up a lot of man, beat a lot of man for this thing, and then now all of a sudden now no go so now boom and just accept it. So you realize say.
So what is he saying specifically? What did he say in his thing?
Yaksta? No, remember say Yaksta, I said it here already. He might burn out a certain
set of people.
Set of ras where you know say some shaky people in them camp and all them make a thing there. You get what I say?
Okay.
Yeah, and
I mean,
and it's like them make commercial music. So them not really burn out on social issues and I try ensure.
But like, who do you see? Or you have nobody at all where you see that where you expect them to burn fire more than the next grass?
At the end of the day, I'm not kind of artist.
No man, meaning do you see anywhere you feel like them?
No, here's my point. Here's my point. Yeah, go on.
I know what this is my viewpoint now. The Rasta thing now, I understand now. The commercialization is like them more give vibes and energy and not necessarily the purpose of like the Rasta movement. Them is like a just vibes.
So what means that?
Them not fight with the art where them have anymore, like against certain things.
But them don't know. Them we according to way. I don't know, Yaksta alone say them thing. Enough people say, as a matter of fact, say a man we go in a manly and a man lock up him ear because he know say him more commercialized. Him can it more accepted if him have him dreads in England
it's more
and
what?
Europe. Accepted.
Okay.
That means say?
Accepted,
me say. You ever try don't play my English? Anyways, it's more accepted. It's more accepted if him go to Europe and England.
It's more marketable for brand Jamaica, for reggae music that you have locked.
So a man will lock him here, but him not necessarily
a Rasta,
you know.
So he can have like say like Rasta and LGBT go together. And you see him have those type of friends around him or supporting those type of people. I'm just saying
that's
that's something
that general talk where
Right.
where
So that's one of the
different
examples
yeah,
that
where-
he's hitting out
yeah.
at.
You understand?
Yeah.
So you overstand. So you understand. Say, I mix up myself. Overstand me, I say people. So you overstand. Put out the answer. Rastas. Come now, unity and strength. You know, I eat that, man. Yeah. So that's what the Yaksta say. At the end of the day, I understand. But the nether thing is that say something about me now. The nether thing. Say it now, no. The other thing is that people go through phases.
My dear.
So a man cannot chant fire right now. Like when Chronix come out and him talk about capture and Selassie is soldier and all them things there, but him kinda calm it down now and start singing about some not because people go through stages in life. So you're not gonna
that
expect
contrast is hilarious.
So you're not gonna expect sometime a man we are singing at 2011 fair chant the same. The only man me see really do that consistently are who? I win.
I win is about? He's around?
You don't know I win?
He's about the place?
Yeah.
Oh, a long time I hear of him.
Him there about man, him a do him thing. But you know, I don't think magic no new music.
Sword in a armor, full suit and ready for go chant out, but the Babylon mama warrior hoy. Tell them mama warrior hoy.
Man a warrior, not mama warrior.
Chronix did sing that, right? No, Chronix are sing.
When the tides are about you gave me shelter from
So like SpongeBob.
And when I find you get what I say? So people will intend not to make this video long because I realize
we're tired at the end of the video.
Tired at the end of the video and the video them too long.
Yeah.
You understand? So what are you people watch a show?
Oh baby, I like the way.
Wait name.
His and hers.
His and hers.
The
People we not talk much about his and hers, but go and watch his and hers on Netflix.
His and hers. It's so good.
Nice.
Guys, I'm not telling a lie. Don't watch it by yourself if you have anxiety.
And sit down. I saw it up on the edge of the
chair. The description before I watch it said it will have you at the edge of your seat and When the show done, Gio they hurt yourself.
For real.
Seriously. And then when I said like that was a really
good show. Like
it's a limited episodes.
Limited series.
Yeah.
So you have other show we call Nemesis. I have not watched that, but me spend my time watch it. Some show me just have to watch by myself. You understand? And every time I go watch a show with Shav.
Yeah.
And every
Unfaithful,
time,
this one.
And every time she go watch a show with me.
Yeah, I only watch the ones by myself that you don't like. Or
you don't know if I don't like it because I always come watch it when I see you watch it.
Exactly. I'm just like, alright, jump in, no? But so, you
will go up on my laptop and watch my show. So, and that. So people, watch them.
Ilan Gully rhythm.
A suit. Remember we said we sued on
as she say now. Waiting for auntie.
Auntie Faye?
Yeah, man.
No, big up Auntie Faye.
Yeah, man. She can't sit down though.
No.
She can sit because she's worked a long time in media. Wait, stop that now.
Yeah, beat me up on camera. When people them say yes to you. Beat me up.
She beat again.
She beat him.
No, we don't promote that none at all. If it is that you are experiencing, see no, you make me have to go.
If it is that you're experiencing domestic violence and abuse.
I don't have the number to tell you now,
but
link the number and we don't support that none at all. Women beating men beating women, abusing whatever. Oh yeah, do this. No, you're not supposed to do that. But you know, enough people don't know this. There's a thing where like if you experience that in public, but that should be something universal. But we don't stop now. I don't want the people to feel like we're making light of the situation.
No, we're not making light of the situation.
Okay. I was saying the reason why I said that she should have a seat, it means just watch. Just look, have a seat and look.
The lady
listen to man and make my talk, brother.
Why?
Before the genius drop this rhythm, you never have that uproar of just connecting back to the roots unless at the JCDC or festival time. Now you have the dancer them more that yes I don't be like it. You see them do them thing and everybody has showcase them thinking me. But thinking me or coming or whatever, yes it is a cultural and it's ancestral and it's a powerful
Rootsy.
and it rootsy and whatever. I don't know the word to describe it right now. It also has a lot of like you know that says like chakras, like it have even some of the movements. You see the man them are broke and the woman them are, and the woman them man to woman and man to woman. Like we want to accept the culture when it's kind of muted, but it is also our culture. Dancehall culture is that we are raw, that we are sexualized. That is the culture of dancehall. That is the culture of reggae in some aspects. And brand Jamaica, we are known for our dancehall music. If dancehall music has an influence of our more, like I say, our folk music, I think that's a win-win for the culture. A lot of persons now kind of can associate us with that cultural movement back then with the Dinky Mini and the Kumina because of the genius when produced now. So I'm just saying it has its benefits. And just have a seat and look a young people time now and we can reinvent parts of the culture because it is still the culture. I come like when them used to say, oh, dancehall dead. And new dancehall or whatever. Look pan Elephant Man them a come back. Look pan all of them a come back. Look how them a bring back juggling, but it's still modern and it still have the same artists them where when you think, oh, them now really the real dancehall and this a trap dancehall and whatever. We can be as versatile as we want to be. So just have a seat and look at what it is doing for the culture. Look pan even Joan Kenzie. You understand? Look at even, if you even just train a bit, if you even look at how Camille Buchanan is representing mental health, she have to give it to you raw. And that is what appeals to us as Jamaicans.
That's true.
So at the end of the day, this is our culture. Accept it. You can't accept one part of it and be like, okay, who? Upstanding and decent. And you want to disregard the other part. Me not depend that. It's either you're about Jamaica or you're not about Jamaica. If you're going to look out against part of Jamaica, it means you're not really, it means you're not really accept it for what it is. It is so beautiful. Yes, the lyrics might not be for you. Zidong, chibong, chibong. It's nice. It might not be for you, but guess what? It has brought us back together on the platform of this is our culture. This is folk music. This is where Jamaica is coming from. And this is where we are right now. And vote for me for the Jamaica Festival Queen for St. Catherine.
Big up Auntie Faye. I don't know, but
big up don't mean I have to agree with you. No, big up you, but I do not agree with you licking out against a part of it or eating out against a part of it. I don't like that.
And that's
let me just say that with my chest and
no wrong with that.
And I like she used to bathe me and feed me. I know, my real auntie, you know.
No matter how
me don't know her from Adams. One auntie Faye on the hop. One auntie Faye on the hop, you know. You know the people we used to get in a trouble for this Andrew. Our police reached them. They have to know where you do.
You have to know one auntie Faye on the hop. Alright? Big up yourself. People, we're not drag out that one here.
We ain't.
People, listen to the Drake album.
Bad.
No, and listen to me if you want.
I forgot do our next after session like soon. Come after talk about Drake music.
The Drake.
That has been one of the most exciting things this week. Chris Brown album versus Drake album.
No, go versus, please. Don't do that something.
No, it's just how I feel. It's how I feel. I'm not comparing the two. Like, oh, they can be compared in the same category. But I'm just saying how I felt about Chris Brown's album when it dropped. I don't feel the same way about Drake album.
No,
I feel a little bit better about
it.
Like he did a good job at packaging it.
Drake dropped 3 albums, you know. But guess what going on now? Like when you go up on YouTube, just listen to the song with the video. You will more appreciate it differently than when you just listen to the song alone.
Choo.
Yeah, so watch it with the video and you can capture what the video do. The video capture the whole essence, like way my tribe being across. It give the feel and the song. When you listen to the song by itself, you might not
get the creative
creative direction. So yeah, when you watch the video, I say, oh yeah. So people, what's your outro?
You didn't hear me say?
No.
Them look nice and shiny.
No,
Love
man,
that for you. They look a tick here in a man. Where your wife?
And you.
Period.
Anyways, what's your outro? What you need to tell the people then?
Oof.
Lost for words.
That's a tough one because my brain in a lot of spaces from the other day.
Make it short.
I've been a meds, man. I've been a meds and it's not just a dream.
Make
it real. Get on the grind. You're not behind. Don't watch the
time.
That is it.
It's singer coming out, people. Big up yourself.
That's one of the message them when I push strongly like, it's not just a dream. Make it real. Get on the grind. Don't watch the time.
Listen to my people. My outro. You know, sometimes we look. And I get into it now, you know. Sometimes we just observe and try research a lot of things and I find out how we can do that and how we can do this. Just put in the work. Just work. Just work, put in the work. The answers will come while you put in the work. But you can't be lazy. You can't just expect it for just dropping in your lap.
For one thing I preach on this is not being lazy.
Yeah.
Love that.
You have to put in the work. Just put in the grind. I'm not saying enough to spend time with family and not for relax and way, but especially for the men. Any woman love relax more while. But put in the grind. Put in the work. Because whosoever you see on the top or you see that billionaire, you see that millionaire, you see that person who you might see them just cool in front of the camera top. But you not see say this man 16 hours for a day. He not sleep. He might just put in the work. So sometimes we not see behind the scenes and feel like say, oh look on him now. He have that and have that. But you not see say this man I talk too much people at the time. And on that note, remember, link me for the no, on a serious note, get the insurance and the critical illness people. You understand? Get it. For the parents, get it. For the persons who have them parents and you take care of your parents, or your parents might get old and you know say if something happen and you're gonna be responsible
for burying them and taking care of their estate because it costs money to take care of their estate. Don't believe that when people pass on that it's just automatic that you just sign a paper and now you have the property, now you have this, now you have that. You need money to do transfer.
So even if you know say your people them go pass on and leave the house to you, you need to put money in place to transfer the title and do all kind of legal
lawyer fees and stuff.
You understand? So
you know, I don't want to cut you. When you were speaking on just putting in the work, this is what has been echoing. It's not who I'm gonna keep on a set, man. The people who you really see doing this thing, them really want it. If you want it bad enough, like you will get it done. Like put in the work over time, it must pay off. Must. If you remain consistent at this thing, look, I show Speed will come the other day. He has been doing this thing for like over 5 years. Yeah, from I could pick him out do it. So it's now paying off. Like him literally focus on one thing.
You have to just
and it just compound. Yeah.
You have to stay up on the grind.
I just want to learn to take my own advice really. And I think that's what I'm there right now. That's how I'm feeling.
Yeah, apply some things.
I try to apply it. Yeah. I apply a little, but I need to apply more of what
it sound like it's easy, but it's not really easy. It's not. Because you wake up sometime and just feel like I'm not doing nothing today.
Yeah, somebody just piss you off
somebody
at work,
and just show you.
Demotivate you not get the support.
And that leads me to two things. Recentering yourself every day. Meaning just reminding yourself of who you are and what you're about and where you're going. And speaking about where you're going, you need to set some goals because it can be recentering yourself every day. But if you don't have something to look towards to keep you motivated and disciplined to move towards.
Yeah, so something, you know, when you put in a location on a Google app and it have a directions where you have to go and you reach at one point, you realize it just left you at one point, you press the button, what name? Recenter. And it show you now again. Yes, so you're on this road, and you need to make your next right turn, your next left turn. Recenter yourself.
Yeah.
Center.
And have a goal, because when you're on the Google app, you're going somewhere. You know, so
you put in the directions, you know exactly where you want to be.
So sometimes I think say people just get demotivated easily, or just not bother with something. Even me, it happened to me, because you don't really set no goal ahead where you move towards.
And set short enough goals
where you know say
every
week, every day, this is what me I do. Because while you set the goal for the next year, you have to have things where you move towards. Right. For me accomplish this the next year, then me I do this every day. Every day I need for this. Every day
this applies to your career. It applies to what you want for your kids. It applies to your health, your fitness goals, your financial goals. Like the little steps day by day, and just reminding yourself. That's what I wanted to say. Oh, look how we're turning our little. You know.
Go ahead. Go ahead over here.
Crap! No. Remember. When we used to sing.
Man.
Yeah, I try to remember.
That's why you need for those tape.
I know. We can cut out this. Don't worry.
We're not cutting it out. People need to see your tape.
Oh my God. I remember, you know. Oh yes, habits. So you need to define habits, like specific things that you need to be doing, and remind yourself of those specific things. So every goal that you have, it boils down to habits, like things that
what
you do
doing on a daily.
Things that you can manage. And it reminds me of even you with your fitness goals. Like me, I say, oh, you know, do this and that. No, me I do what I know me can manage and do repeatedly, because sometimes we bite off a huge chunk of a thing and say, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, but it's not feasible, it's not sustainable, like for you to be doing it and for you to be doing it daily. So it's developing certain habits, like say for example, one habit is like, I don't know, drinking water, and you commit to this bottle of water, I must drink this. This hour I can manage. I might not can eat raw, like veggies and stuff and that, but I start with the water part. You know what I mean? And you just take little steps and you try. If you can't commit, another thing, oh my God, really packing it in here.
Go on, you have 2 minutes.
2 minutes, okay. So, if you can't commit to yourself, can't expect life to give you what you want. At the bare minimum, you need to be able to commit to yourself. So if you can't, and I think I saw, you have one lady, I don't really know her like that, but I see her pop up from my feed every now and then. She named Karsha, and she was like, how you expect me to take up myself and there with you, and you not even want to take care of yourself? You eat bad, you not go doctor go get a checkup, you not try get fit, you know, try learn a new skill. You know, do nothing. I mean, if you take up myself and say me I accept love from you, you're not even love yourself, because you're not even willing to do the bare minimum. Oh, I want to lose weight. I want to get healthy. I want to save more money, and you can't commit to just saving. Show me, say you can save $100. Show me that then. Say you can save $100 a day. What, preaching to my damn self in this bitch. I'm sorry. It's not a kids video.
Anyways, people, give up yourself.
Chicky cha cha.
Chicky cha cha. You spoke to yourself there, honey bunny.
I'm telling you, man.
So, big up, people. Enjoy the rest of the week, the rest of the day.
It's your girl Shaban Official. Remember,
it's a boy, original
finance. Dear. No, sir. I'm in there. You can't look at self-promotion.
Go on.
Self-praise is recommendation.
Put it back.
It's your girl Shaban Official. Remember to follow me. Yeah, start them. So look out for me.
And it's a boy, original finance.
Call me. I'm gonna start a joke.
And we are out.
Off key.
Hey, rock it. I rock it. Hey, turn it off.
Freestyle pan them.
Turn it off, man.
That's good. That good.
That's
That
good.
workify. It worky.
Fine. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Oh my gosh. Me so more original than you.
Clearly, because you're a man, so.
People.
Can't take that from
People. Oh my.
Milk from water. Me take it up, you know. Oh. All age people. I put on airplane mode.
Alright, people.
Chaka maka tojo, chaka maka tojo, chaka maka tojo, chaka maka tojo, chaka maka tojo,